Hello everyone, I am Sheetal Noli from Gokhale Education Society, HL English Medium, Ozar Township. I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium for Mathematics Part 2, Standard 9. Now let's learn the first chapter, that is Basic Concepts in Geometry. In that we have to learn point, line, plane, betweenness, coordinates of points and distance, conditional statement, proof. We do not define a point, line, plane, but these are the basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are the set of points. Now we are going to discuss on coordinates of points and distance. If you look at the diagram, in that diagram or in that number, we can observe the number line. On that number line, we can see that some numbers are there and they are represented by some letters. Now here the point D. Here point D on the number line denotes the number -1. If you observe the number line, here we can observe the point D and this represent the number -1. So it is said that -1 is the coordinates of point D. So we can say that -1 is the coordinate of point D. Similarly, we can say that 2 is the coordinate of point E. 5 is the coordinate of point G. -5 is the coordinate of point A. Now let's discuss the distance between the 2 points. How to find the distance between the 2 points. Now we have to find the distance between the given 2 points. Now here to find the distance between the 2 points, consider the coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinates from the bigger. Now that means here if we have to find the distance between the 2 points, then first of all we have to write their coordinates and then we have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger one. For example, find the distance between the point E and G. Now you can observe the number line. On number line the coordinate of point E is given 2 and the coordinate of point G is given 5. Obviously 5 is greater than 2. So here we can find the distance between the point E and G is. Now here distance is written as D in bracket EG equals to 5 minus 2. So distance between the point EG equals to 3. In this way you can find out the distance between the given 2 points. Next point we are going to discuss, that is on betweenness. Now here if you observe the diagram, here 3 diagrams are given. In that first diagram we can observe that this point point P, Q, R is given. In second diagram P, R, Q. In third diagram R, P, Q. Now if P, Q, R are the 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. These possibilities are just represented by the diagram. Now here according to the first diagram, point Q is between P and R. If you observe the second diagram, point R is in between P and Q. And in third diagram, point P is in between R and Q. So if distance of PQ plus distance of QR equals to distance of PR, then it is said to be Q is in between P and R. Again I am going to repeat, distance of PQ plus distance of QR equals to distance of PR. Then we can say that point Q lies in between P and R. Similarly, distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equals to distance of PQ. Then point R lies in between P and Q. And last one, distance of RP plus distance of PQ equals to distance of RQ. Then point P lies in between R and Q. In this way you can find out the betweenness. Now we'll discuss some examples from the practice set 1.1. If the coordinates of A is X and that of B is Y, then find the distance of AB. Now here X and Y is given instead of A and B. Here it is considered X is a coordinate of A and Y is a coordinate of B. Now if we have to find the distance of AB, then we can mention here distance of AB equals to, as we know that first of all we have to consider the coordinates and we have to do the subtraction. Smaller coordinate is subtracted from the bigger one. Now here 7 is bigger than 1. So we can mention there 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Therefore, distance of AB equals to 6. In this way, you can solve the remaining sums from the practice set 1.1. In next video, we will discuss on the practice set 1.2. Thank you.